everybody, my name is Karmnye. Welcome to my channel Paperful. Today we will make this very exciting model. You can keep your phone in it like this. Look. And if you want to charge and look at it, so you can put the charging point here and you can put your phone here. So you can see the picture and you want to see the video, so you can see the video and you can put the charge on it. So first we need a piece of printer paper. So for this exciting model we just need a printer paper and we don't need a scissor or a glue stick. So first we need a printer paper. It can be a colored paper or a white paper, so it can be anything, it will be mixed, but remember it should be a little foldable, like very light, so that you can fold your paper easily, because there are two folds that can be very hard. So first we will do the first fold. So to this corner will go here. Then open it. And you can see the middle line. Put this corner and this corner in the middle line. Like this. Let's start with the bottom one. Do the same with the other side. Then you can see the center of the line. So do the same, another double fold to this corner to here and this corner to here. Then now your paper is little bit harder, so you have to fold it into half, but it can be a little tricky because your fold can like this, like a bump, so you have to put a little pressure on it. Look. Then put a little bit more, like this part, like this. So then open it, so you can see this line. So put it just then press it very hard as you can and put it like this and just press it very hard. Then you can see this corner and this corner. So you bring this corner here and this corner here. Then you can see this part. So, and let's do it with this part. So this is a little tricky part. You have to open this pocket and add this inside it. And then clear your paper with this, like so, press it and go here. Then little press it like this. Then here it's ready. So let's try it in the phone. Can adjust it or not? Sometimes it doesn't. Nice. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and it's a very cool model.